Welcome everyone, today we will learn how to use event blocks. The project will involve pressing the space bar to send a broadcast. When the broadcast is received, the cat will move. Here we have the cat sprite and we will stay on it. But we will change the backdrop to a new one. And we will choose the blue sky backdrop. Let's place the cat sprite at the beginning of the backdrop. Now for the coding blocks. We will go to event blocks and choose when space key pressed trigger block. Then, we will add the broadcast message 1 broadcast block to it. Click on the drop-down in broadcast message 1 and here we will make a new message. Because we will make the sprite move. So we will type move as a new message. Now, we need to receive the move broadcast message. So here we will use when I receive message block. Then, we will change the drop-down selection from message 1 to move message. And because the sprite needs to move, we will go to motion block and add move 10 steps block to it. Let's test it. As you can see, the sprite moves when we press the space key, so that means the trigger and broadcasting are working perfectly. In conclusion, we have learned about how to use event blocks. Thank you for your attention.